morning. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, wherever you are. So, a very nice greet to you. So, I created one video on August 25. I'll share the link and you can go ahead and watch that video. That Bitcoin is in danger because of currency index. This time, no logic will work as per my prediction. No logic will work because the time has been changed. This is the deflation. This is not inflation. So people are trying to hold cash in their pocket because of scarcity and fearness. So that's all is happening. Uh, but I don't want to go to economics. I just wanted to share this chart. This is a DXY chart, and you can see this is the monthly chart, and this blue line is the 200 EMA. You can see this 200 EMA 91.007. So this increased today just by 0.28%. And the whole Bitcoin market dumped by almost like 20%. So it touched 42,000 on some indexes. On few indexes, it touched 43,000. Uh, but it was a huge fall. And I am only person on the YouTube who was keep telling that this is because of currency index, currency like disbalancement. People want to convert currency. People want to keep the US dollar in their hand, in their banks accounts. They don't want to spend, and why this is, I don't know. There are lots of reasons I can guess, but uh, it's a huge topic of study, so we'll discuss anytime later. But yeah, you can see this is the MACD multi-time V2 indicator by Charlie Monkey. This is the latest indicator by him, and this is nothing. This is just a multi like MACD on the various time frame. So you can, if you remove this and you can if you put the MACD, that will also tell you the same thing. And you can say it's very clearly it's from 2008. It's taking the support. The RSI is taking support, and you know if you let me, yeah, you can say this one. So in 2008, it was felt from that point. It's still uh, the intensity, the frequency, the is same like 2008 currently. I mean, dollar was depreciated by too much. People sold their stocks and everything. So that's why they are again trying to selling their stocks. They're trying to cash it in every way. And this is the very bullish momentum for dollar. If you see last time when it crossed in 2014, here you can see it it rises a lot from 2014. And if you compare the chart with 2000 with the BTC in 2014, let's go ahead and let's see the charts. Let's see the chart. Okay, uh, let me pick the monthly. If you can see, so this is the Bitcoin chart, and 2014, yes, see, I'm not happy, I'm just telling you. So in this is the $584, you can say, on this right hand side, and this is July 14. Let's see what is the date here. See, this is the exact date, July 1st, July 14. So this is the exact date on 1st July 14 when dollar crossed monthly, and then from almost like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 for 9 months, it keep continue raising and all. So it's all depend upon the multi geopolitical situation. I cannot comment, but this is what the chart is saying. So I'm very precaution, and I'm very alerted this time. Anything could happen. So this is a primary advice to everyone. Take your financial expert advice from your CA or auditor, whoever you know, who take care of financial issues. And then, but this is what the chart is saying. So 1st July 14 to this one, you can see. from here, from 584, yeah, from 584 or 630, whatever it's almost like 600. It just started falling through 231. It's almost like half. So this is a clear-cut indication. Then when DXY increased, uh, the Bitcoin falls. Okay, so this is a monthly support, which is like super bullish for the currency index. So now let us talk about the today's incident. So today, what happened? Uh, if you see my video, if you go to see my this video 25 August, I'll clearly show that what is what could be happen. So you can see. So now go to today's chart. So today's chart, what happened? Uh, it clearly took a support on anchor tag. So this anchor tag I put like long back, and you can see this anchor tag exactly worked. So there could be opportunities from here. Bitcoin market could go up, but in a very slow direction, in very slowly movement, as you see the currency issue, the DXY currency, but it's a monthly, so it will take months. So still we have like 2-3 months to complete this cycle. So, but yeah, for 2 days, it exactly took a very good support on this anchor tag, and you can see this VWAP anchor tag is a big indicator for you know for the price movement. So, and this is a huge dip, almost like 28%. I mean, I'll suggest like we have to track closely on the daily basis, and let's see how the market goes on. And if it breaks this support 43, then it could fall like anything. But yeah, for a few months or for a few weeks or for a few days, we have to continuously monitor. Uh, but yeah, this is one of the theory. And now uh, let's see the EMA. What is EMA is telling? So EMA is right now is completely like settled on this VWAP and the 100 days EMA support. You can see this blue line, this blue 45, 43, 100. So this clearly took support here. So right now there could be opportunity that it could go to test 200 EMA, or even this line, or even like 17,000. That's what most of the people are saying. And I mean, we don't know what could happen, but we have to just uh, take precaution, and like very cautious we can trade, and especially long-term investors. So yeah, that's it from my side. And if you have any comment, you can write down on the video and let me know what you think. How my theory is it really going to work, or this is just a theory? So it could be anything. So because market is very bullish, there are a lot of news, a lot of things are happening for Bitcoin, but unfortunately this time Bitcoin is it's like because of currency things, it is dipping. So uh, few of the economists, they are saying that this is a hyperinflation. So if that is the case, dollar will increase a lot, and if people will start if they get this idea, which is initially like objective of the Bitcoin, that we have to kill the inflation, or it could be the Bitcoin is deflationary. And so if people start understanding, they can immediately convert Bitcoin into dollars, or their dollars into Bitcoin, uh, just to hold the value for their currency. In that case, Bitcoin can go increase. Bitcoin can might increase a lot. But just imagine that today you are buying bread for $2, and after like 4 months, the same bread, if you have to buy for like $8, $10. So is it really matters for you? I mean, you have not gained any wealth, right, or any health. Whatever amount of bread you are going to eat for $2, you will get the same, right? So currency is devalued, right? Currency is devalued because overall in the global scenario, the other countries they might reject the value for the dollar currency. They might stop handling transactions. They might stop to buy oil from the dollar. So there will be a less demand of dollar. Or it could be like, uh, people will trying to hold dollar because they didn't want to, they just want to wait for some time. They don't want to, go into the open world and see like, okay, this might happen, this might happen and all. So as of now, this is wait and hold time, and we have to strictly monitor the Bitcoin pricing and all cryptocurrency market, and let's see what could happen. So this is a short, quick explanation like why market was going down. You can see, you can go ahead and watch my previous video and why it happened, because technically this was the wick off pattern. You can see this from here to here, this happened on 64,000 and it started fall, and the same thing is happening here. It is actually wick off pattern. Nothing, like every time the angle is getting depreciated, the higher, lower and lower, everything is like getting depreciated by the over the period, and somehow this Bitcoin is not able to uh, break the uh, rejection of like particular intensity. So in whole Bitcoin cycle, if you can see, whenever, so this is also a smaller wick off pattern. It break totally thing, then it came on the same pattern, and then from here it started rising. But at this point of time, the currency was, there was no matter for the dollar currency index. So technically also we are in down, not downtrend, but yeah, we are not like definitely in uptrend. So for Bitcoin, we will never be in uptrend until unless it will break the all-time high, 64 or 65, whatever, based on the exchanges. So once we will break the 65, then only we could be in uptrend. So before that, we can never say that we are in the uptrend and it will go only up and up and up. So between 65 and lower side 29, once any of these support or resistance will break, then only we can consider a breakout either in downside or upside. So it's time for hold and wait. Let's see what could happen. So my videos, I always try to publish a video on the right time when there is a transition happens in the world, in the Bitcoin world. So that's only uh, my primary reason why I post video. So just for my personal record, this is not for get influence or see anything. And yeah, that's it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Bye. Take care.